Welcome back, guys. This is episode 6 of Adventures of Maia the Deer Dog, and it's the third and final video wrapping up our South Island trip hunting red stags in the raw. Hope you enjoy
Happy
it.
pup. Ready to go?
Oh, camel back.
Ready to get up that hill?
Morning, team. We've packed up all our gear and we're heading up this mountain here. Gonna spend the night up there. Got an extra member of the team over here. So he's gonna come up with us and hopefully we'll get up there and shoot a big stag. Yeah, we'll keep you posted.
Good view. There it is. Just stopped for a bit of a muesli bar break and just spotted a little hind just bedded down on the scree. Pretty cool. And then we just got to go hopefully over this next hill and our campsite should be just there hopefully. That's the good plan anyways. Pretty cool, isn't it? Bit of a bush bash to get up here, eh?
Worth it though, it's beautiful.
What do you reckon, Dad?
Yeah, very nice. Pleased to get to the top. Yeah, amazing view seeing that.
Oh well, just made it to our campsite. Awesome spot. Nice big tarn there. Awesome view, big flat area. And that deer that we saw is literally like right there. Just over this hill would be like 80 meters away if I went to the top of this hill. So we're in amongst them. Awesome spot. This is our camp spot right here. And then how cool is this? Just walk up this hill. Go up this hill. Then right there. There's a deer. You happy to have made it, pup? Oh, big donk on head. Good pup. Oh, thank you, Maia. Brought the treats for us.
Oh, you got there, Richard, young fella?
Yeah, he's quite into his fishing and trout fishing.
We just got camp set up, had a cup of tea, and now we're just going to go have an evening glass. It's about 5 o'clock, so coming on to prime time. Hopefully that rain stays over there. But anyway, we'll see how we go. I did go up there for a look and spotted a couple deer miles away and heard a roar from pretty close, so we'll go up there and see if we can rack them up. Pretty awesome spot though. She might be a big stag. Wait for me. Can you zoom up a bit? That one's good. Your eyes. Look with your eyes. It's a good stag though. 8 from there. Oh well, just made it back to camp. Had a bit of roaring action. Saw a few deer. Hopefully the big camera picked up the audio of those stags roaring. It was pretty cool. But nothing came out until it was too dark to see, so like we could hear one like roaring real close, so I'm pretty sure if it was still light enough we would have been able to see him, but he waited till it was too dark before he came out. So I think we'll have another crack in the morning back at camp. Yeah, so we'll see you then. It's a big 8. And there's 4 hinds. He's got 4 hinds over there. He's oh, he just roared. He's, see this long ass screw, really long one. Yeah, he's not huge. He's not that big. He's going to roar. That one. Oh, he's coming. He just roared. Oh, he's roaring. When you don't want to shoot them, they just stand there. It's an 8. That one there. Yeah. Oh, I just want him to turn his head. He's definitely got 4 on one side.
Only skinny, isn't
Yeah, he's only a little fella.
he? Oh, and then the end and up now.
I see it on the behind, is it?
Yeah. Way out there in the sun.
Yeah, just in its own way.
Yeah. Hinds are now moving.
Not one to himself, he's just like...
He's got potential though.
to hide back to get him disappear. They could trip him, they don't see the problem, is it?
You reckon I can get him to stop? See? He's coming back. He's just come back. Nah, that's that little one again. That's the one from the far side.
Is it?
Yeah. Oop, she's off. Morning team. Bit of action this morning. Heard some roaring. Saw some animals. Saw one stag that would have been worth shooting. But we saw him right on first light and he was right on the edge of range. And because it was first light, we didn't really get to assess him properly until the sun came up a bit. And then by the time we realised he was worth shooting, he sort of disappeared into a gut and we never saw him again. So that was that. But anyway, we just had a coffee and we're just having breakfast now. And then we're going to shoot right up the top of here. Apparently there's a big tussock basin up there. So yeah, hopefully there's a big monster up there that we can shoot. Yeah. See how we go. Here, Maia. Shush, shush, shush. Yeah, I know there's a deer down there somewhere. Come on. Hey. Good girl. Shush, 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 shush. Jeez. Slow down. Sit. Look at me. Sit. I'll stay here so I don't knock any. I'll stay here so I don't knock anything on you. Sit there. Good girl. Maia. Far out, dog. Okay, sit. Sit there. Just sit. Just sit. God, you scare me, dog. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Get it. Get it. There's a stag. He's good. Okay, get ready. Those lines are running straight down there. See that deer there? I can see that. Yeah, they're just in that gut below that one. Thank God that line's actually stopped. What is it lower? 416. Get to there. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get. Stop, stop, stop. Keep going. Shh. Keep going, man. Keep going. Okay, Dad. 372. Six MOA. He's gonna go side on. Hang on. Go 6.1. Wait for him to go side on. Leave it 6.1. Okay, you happy there? Yep, when you're ready. Give him another one. Reload. You've. Give him another one. Reload. You've hit him. Give him another one. Shot. Shot.
Fuck, man. I had him.
Great
I
shooting.
Another one. He wouldn't fucking stop still.
Far out. Oh, it's worth that sketchy climb up, eh?
It was.
Oh, I wonder how big he is.
Yeah,
Look at those deer just there.
They're still there. Should we shoot a hind as well?
Probably should really, but nah.
No.
Oh, we probably should.
Fuck.
There was a lot of hinds with him, eh?
Oh, yeah.
He's a big boy, I reckon. Woo!
Fuck, I couldn't get another one into him.
Oh, he went down like a sack of shit.
I went to get a second one in him.
Maia, cut it out!
Fuck, I couldn't get my bipod down low enough.
Yeah.
I was digging it into the... That's why...
Oh, great shot! Oh, he's down! Stoked!
Look at those hinds, man.
Oh, that was pretty cool. Yeah, Maia. Oh, that was pretty exciting. After that big climb up here, we just came to this beautiful basin, and we were just like sneaking down, glassing into all these guts, and I just came over the brow and I looked over and I saw like just a big mob of hinds, like 4 or 5 of them, and so we got down and we had a good look, and I could just see big antlers down there. And then as we were coming down, Maia's just indicating hard out, like winding and pointing. And then as we came over the brow of the hill, 2 deer just blew out from like 10 meters away. And Maia was just like keen as to go down there, so she obviously knew they were there. And then luckily they ran all the way down to where the stag was, but they stopped just before they got there and they sort of chilled out. So we didn't spook them, thank God. And then yeah, because Maia could smell them and she could hear them roaring, she didn't want to stay on her stop. So she bloody crept over right when we were about to shoot, which was naughty, but at least she didn't cock it up for us. So yeah, we're going to go down there now and have a look. But man, pretty exciting, pretty cool. Great shot as well, it was 380, so that's good with the new rifle. Obviously my ballistic calculations are all right, so oh, I'm stoked he's down though. I was a bit nervous. Oh, cool. Let's go find him. Sorry guys, I'm gonna have to talk on the big camera because the GoPro's dead. But absolutely stoked. It's our last day in here and we put in a massive effort to get right up into this basin. And yeah, Dad got to shoot a nice big stag, hopefully. So yeah, just stoked, eh? Maia did really well. She did play up quite bad towards the end there, but she was indicating, like, we knew there was deer in there somewhere because she was just winding and indicating down there. So we sort of snuck over that edge and spotted them down there. So yeah, and then yeah, even stalking into the shooting position, Maia was like keen as, and we just popped over this little rise and there were two hinds just sitting down in there and they took off. Luckily they sort of ran all the way down to the stag and then they stopped just before they got to him and sort of chilled out, so that was super lucky. And then yeah, managed to creep over the edge and he had actually bedded down, so we had plenty of time, which was good. And then yeah, he got up and he was roaring at another little stag in there, so that was cool. And then yeah, turned side on and Dad smoked him from 380 meters, so stoked with the new gun. Our ballistic calculations are obviously right, so yeah, just stoked as. We're just gonna go down there now. There's a big wallow just there that he's obviously been using. And he's just over that next gut. I could actually see his antlers poking out, so that's a good sign. But yeah, we'll cruise down there now. We'll go see how big he is. Whee! Eh?
Yeah boy.
Stoked, eh?
Happy with that.
Nice 8.
Yeah, very nice. There's now this little scrubber I got.
Fuck yeah, that's all good, eh?
Yeah man, nice and even. That's pretty cool.
That's bigger than my one.
Oh, he stinks. Ooh.
Nice.
Yeah, nice long.
It's got cool shape, eh? Real nice shape, real even.
Yeah, pretty cool. Oh, air coronets are quite low too, eh? So
It's an old bugger.
really old, yeah.
Well, there he is. Bit of an upgrade from the first one that Dad shot, so pretty stoked, eh?
Yep, pretty happy about that.
Yeah, nah, bloody good. And once again, he's old as, like his coronets are way down on his head, so he wasn't going to get any bigger. And for some reason this area seems to be heaps of big 8s. Like a lot of them are missing their bay tines. So yeah, awesome one to get. And yeah, stoked as, what a cool stalk. All that effort getting up and then like seeing him and sneaking down with the dog and everything. No, it's just awesome, eh? So no, we're stoked as. So we'll get all the best bits off him and be a big slog home. Yeah, we'll see you guys at the bottom. Good girl, Maia. Thirsty, Maia. Life on the edge, eh, pup? Tail on the edge. Well, we've made it back to the gnarly part, so I'm going to turn the camera off and put it away so we can concentrate, because as you can see it's bloody steep and dodgy down there. So yeah, we just got to get down there to Andrew, and then it's not too bad all the way back to the ute. So yeah, we'll catch you guys later. Hopefully no one falls to their death. We've just made it back to camp. We're just having a quick cup of coffee, and then we're going to head back to the ute, link up with the boys and celebrate with a beer. That's where we've come from. It's clagged in, so I'm glad we got down before that came in. But anyways, catch you guys in the morning.
Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for the next videos where I finally get to show you Maia doing what she's trained to do, working as a big game indicating dog, hunting sika in the bush.